Hi guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer. Today I just wanted to show our beautiful consignment that we just got in. It is a 2014 Toyota Camry. It's the LE trim. It is the 2.5 liter 4-cylinder and it is beautiful. It's had only one owner, it has 124,000 miles. The body looks amazing. The interior looks amazing as well. The paint is, it's like a sage green, darker sage green, almost like a gray. Yeah, it's gorgeous. As you can tell, it's been really well maintained. Being one owner, they've had maintenance records, when they bought it new, that we can show you as well. Lots of oil changes. I think maintenance that they've had to do any major work, they had to get a new transmission for it. It does have receipts. And it does come with a lifetime warranty, which is really nice too. So brand new transmission, engine runs great. It's an automatic. Steering feels good, suspension feels great. The tread on the tires is in good shape for sure. Right now I'm going to go over any cosmetic things at all that I see, because I think it's really important to show everything as it is, be super transparent, so when the time comes where you do want to make the trip to see it, you know what you're looking at. So I think we could start at the very front. There's a couple of paint chips on the front. I think you can see them right here. From further away, not noticeable at all, but they are there. Other side looks good. There's a small, oh, we could get that off. I thought that was a chip, but it's not. The body looks amazing. We'll take a look at the interior here. All the seats look amazing. All the door panels and everything. Nothing's cracked, nothing's chipped, nothing's, no weird smells, smoke-free, dog-free. It smells brand new. It is a 2014, so it is fairly new still. It's got a lot of the features that we know and love. Bluetooth, hands-free. Screen and everything works. AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Back seats look great too. No staining, no snags. Headliner looks as it should. It's a really beautiful car, super, super clean. And the fact that it's a one owner is really nice too. It has a clean title, of course. I'll take a look at the trunk here. Sorry, we'll look at the back seats again here once more. Looks amazing. Carpet and everything looks new too. Really, really a beautiful car. They're including the original mats as well. They got WeatherTech mats up front, but they also included the originals, which is nice just to have. But lots of trunk space, as you can see. Bumper looks good. Free of any scratches. We'll pop the hood. Engine sounds as it should. No weird knocking or smoking. All the belts sound good, no squeaking. Battery looks new. You can find this beautiful 2014 Toyota Camry at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. I can help you with financing if you need to make payments. Thank you.